How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So of course, first things first is open up or access your Instagram application and ensure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you go ahead and access your profile menu, which is the one that is showing on your screen right here, you should be able to know that you're currently on a professional account because there is a box that says professional dashboard in which you have access to tools and resources just for creators. Now to switch this back to personal account, just access these three lines at the top right portion of your screen. Now scroll down a bit and then on the field of for professionals, you should see creator tools and controls. Now just simply tap on that. Scroll all the way down till you find the option that says switch account type. Now, if you access this setting, you should be able to see two options between switching to business account or switching back to personal account. Simply hit on personal account, and that is how you do it. That is how you switch back to personal account on Instagram.